In particular, we've seen Rhino Resources and Azul Energy down to our south. They've recently contracted the Deep Sea Mirror, a semi-submersible rig, which I believe is en route to spud the Balance 1X exploration well. This is coming on the back of that JV's Capricornus 1X discovery of a couple of months ago, which appears to be a very nice discovery in lower Cretaceous sandstones, 38 meters of net pay, tested 11,000 barrels a day and 37-degree API oil. So a nice result there. Elsewhere in the basin, just to the north, we're seeing BW Energy preparing to drill an appraisal well, their Kudu gas field, which is a gas field that's been around for a long time and never developed. But BW Energy is drilling that appraisal well and also a near-field exploration well to hopefully bolster that resource to underpin development of that gas resource, which is slated as a gas-to-power project. The big one, which everybody's waiting to hear about, is Galp Energia, who has been running a divestment process for quite some time now to bring in a partner on its Peleti 3 exploration permit, which hosts the giant Mopani complex discoveries. Now, these are touted to be potentially 10 billion barrels of mean in-place resource. That varies a lot depending on who you talk to, but clearly very, very giant series of discoveries, and the divestment process has attracted quite a lot of interest. And we've learned from Galp just recently that they've received a number of bids from parties that they're very satisfied with. I think for Galp, this is not just about them taking some money off the table or getting their share of development funded. It's equally as much about getting the right partner in with deep water development capability. Galp has stated that they're seeking to conclude a deal there before the end of this calendar year. So I think it'll be probably some months before we expect to find out who's been successful there. Meanwhile, also on the development front, Total Energy are taking a bit of a break from exploration and appraisal drilling. I guess they've got the results they need and they're pursuing a final investment decision, the Venus and Mangetti discovery, which probably around 5 billion barrels of oil in place, so maybe 2 billion barrels recoverable. A couple of challenges there are relatively low reservoir permeability and also a very high associated gas content. So those two factors combined do present some engineering challenges, but all the sort of commentary coming out of Total suggests that they are moving ahead and are expecting to achieve an FID decision in the next sort of 6 to 12 months.